Hello everyone, welcome to Group 1 and my name is LêNGUYN TRỌNG and today I will show you briefly about my group's product called Medical Support Vehicle. Okay, let's get started.
Hello everyone, welcome to our presentation. Today I will introduce you about our product. It is Medical Support Vehicle. As you know that the last 2 years we got a freaking terrible COVID-19 pandemic and we got numerous population of deaf people. At that moment, hospitals have received hundreds of patients per day and have faced the problem of lack of workforce. So that the idea of creating a robot to support the delivery job in hospital is formed. First of all, ATV is a solution for the problem of overworking in hospital. There is an explosion in the number of people with COVID, and hospital service people like doctors and nurses are not enough to accommodate. So, ATV would be a good option to help. Secondly, it will be safer and more convenient to use, as it is controlled by advanced technologies. It will serve and respond quickly to people with COVID. In addition, it will keep a distance person to person, and it helps to reduce transmission in the community. Moreover, we have invented a beneficial object that is transporting food, supplies for patients, medical supplies from outside to isolation ward for treatment of COVID-19 and vice versa. And it helps prevent the spread of disease. So now I want to introduce you more about our product. This is the products, and there are 5 main components, which are you know, the L298 and motor driver, Bluetooth HC05, traces, and the rechargeable battery of 3.7 volt. First of all, for the batteries, the main function is to provide electric currents to all the components in this product. Next is Arduino Uno, which is Arduino Uno compatible. I bought it instead of Arduino Uno R3 because of 3 main reasons. The first one is it has the maximum output current of 700 mA compared to 150 mA of Arduino Uno, which can be used to supply power to other modems. The second reason is because it has the ability to isolate USB port power when supplying external power, unlike Arduino Uno R3. The main function of this component is to receive codes written in Arduino app. For the motor controlling circuit L298, this red and blue component is used to control speed and spinning directions of motors and their direction according to commands. For the Bluetooth HC05, it is used to connect small devices like mobile phones and receive the data and send it to the Arduino through the TX pin of the Bluetooth module. Last but not least, I want to say about the tracers. It is used to move the vehicle, and that is all the component that I have gone through. Thank you for your following, and it is our presentation.
The 2 things that I'm holding here are the chassis and the container that will involve in my group's product. And for the container, this will be placed on the top of the chassis, which I will show you in later video. For the chassis, there are 5 components on it. Firstly, the Arduino Uno. Next is L298N motor driver. This is Bluetooth HC05, and there are 2 rechargeable batteries, 3.7 volts, and 4 TT motors with wheels. Okay, so now for the batteries, the main function of them is to provide electric currents to all the components on the chassis. The next is Arduino Uno, which is Arduino Uno compatible, and the main function of this component is to receive written codes on Arduino app. And this red and blue component, as I have said, is L298N motor driver, which is used to control speed and spinning direction of 4 TT motors according to our commands. For Bluetooth HC05, it is used to connect small devices like mobile phones and receive the data and then transmit them to the Arduino through the TX pin of this Bluetooth. Here this is the TX pin. I don't know whether you can see it clearly or not. And last but not least are 2 4TT motors, which are used to move the vehicle. Okay, and you can see that it is still working. Okay, now I have gone through all the components that involved in this chassis, and now I will show you how this vehicle works according to this diagram. As you can see, when we press a button on the app, which I will show you later, the Bluetooth HC05 module will receive the signal and transmit to the Arduino Videoclip Uno, which then commands the motor driver to force 4 TT motors to move according to the direction that we want. And this is really simple like that. And now this is a video of my group's product operate. Hope you can enjoy that.